Good afternoon, this is Jan here in Hua Hin, near the beach. As you can see on the background, we're in a restaurant Ketsarin, which is one of the best restaurants, I must say, here in the beach area. There's the pier and there's the sea. And this is the food that we ordered. Lots of seafood, as you can see. Here we got a red snapper, steamed in garlic and pepper with plum sauce, that is. Baked mussels in a clay pot and various side dishes. These are mixed vegetables and oyster sauce. This is pork.
Nam tok
Moo, that is in Thai. And sometimes the papaya salad with seafood. This looks beautiful. I'm gonna start with a red snapper because I'm very curious. Look, there's also mushroom in there. I am a fan of mushroom. So we get a piece of fish, which comes very easily off the bone. Oh yeah, this looks nice. That has a beautiful flavor. Very tasty. Very seafood-like. Taste the sea in there. It's a little briny. Not salty at all, really. There are some small fish boats inside, so beware. It's going to be okay. A little bit of green vegetable in there. So these are different mushrooms. These are Chinese mushrooms. The other ones here are plain white mushroom. That sauce, it's like a little sour. That is a lemon sauce, but it's also made with plum. That's what they said in the menu. Then, of course, some mussel. First plain without the sauce. Juicy stuff. I'm gonna try this with spicy sauce. More. With, I think this is seafood sauce, green sauce that is. No. Seafood sauce. A little bit of the side dishes. Pork with some sauce. Salty sauce that gives that extra flavor to the pork, which is nice. Sometimes the papaya salad, not too spicy this one. I tried it already. Very easy to eat. I have a shrimp. Get rid of the tail. Juicy, a little bit sweet. Let's try some of the sauce. Oh, also not too spicy. And then I have a piece of Chinese cabbage. Some more of that beautiful red snapper. I put out the fishbone already, because I see the fishbone. Not a big fan of fish bones. Well, who is? Red snapper, beautiful color also. See the pinkish red lines in the skin. That is very, very tasty. This is a plum. That has a very specific, very dominant flavor. It has a stone inside because it's stone fruit, of course, obviously. So that's like, yeah, all the saltiness, the brininess from the sauce has sucked into that plum. That's an aromatic fruit. Really very delicious. This is. We almost finished all of the food. This was delicious. In fact, this red snapper must have been like one of the best steamed fish dishes I had here in Thailand. Very good. So, I want to thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.